Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Thursday the 29th of August 2019, and it's coming up to 11 a.m. in Singapore, and we'll take a look at the daily and intraday analysis for Euro, Cable and the Aussie. Let's start with the Euro, and for the week so far it has not been very encouraging, as it's been drifting lower since Tuesday, or actually since the start of the week, after hitting this resistance level up here at the 111.61, and it's drifted all the way down to the weekly S1 now. It is in danger of retesting this support level at the 110.60 level, so this is going to be a key support level, as well as this swing low here at 110.52. So between 50 and 60 will be a key support zone here. Just taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, and you can see where this level is, as well as these recent low from last week. So this was going to be key support zone for the rest of this week, and it has drifted lower below this intermediate support as well, and reached this weekly S1 level. Okay, there's some news this afternoon for the Eurozone, with some French prelim GDP, German prelim CPI, and we'll see whether there's any impact from that. Otherwise, it's just coming up to the end of the month, the last week of the month as well, so may not be any significant breakouts during this period. Let's move on to the cable. And yesterday was a pretty bearish day after UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson proposed extended suspension of Parliament, which will reduce the number of sessions left to debate and vote on any Brexit deal. So that's going to increase the probability of no deal Brexit, and we'll see whether this proposal is approved and will continue. So that brought the cable down to hit a low of 121.56 below this intermediate support level. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. And in the afternoon session, that fell over 100 pips, as with all the other sterling pairs, and spiked through this intermediate support. Recovered to retest the 138 Fibonacci extension level again, and then settle around the weekly pivot, as well as the 55 period EMA. And if we extend this lower trend line of the previous triangle, it's possible that it is consolidating in a slightly bullish channel. So this will be a key support area. This will be a key support area at still at the 121.76 area, 70 to 80 zone. However, any bearish news may trigger a break lower and target the weekly S1. So although it looks like it's in a channel, but it is on the lower half of this channel now. All right, there's no major news left for the UK. This week is pretty light for the UK, except any political or Brexit news. And let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar had the retracement after the recovery, then retraced back to the weekly S1 pivot level, right near the 138 Fibonacci extension level as well. And this morning there was some news, which was private capital expenditure, which came out lower than expected, and this brought the Aussie a bit lower to hit the weekly S1. Tomorrow there's still one more key news, which is building approvals tomorrow morning. So we'll see what impact that will have as well. If we extend this lower trend line of the previous triangle, yeah, it could not, went up to retest and could not break higher and drifted lower. So it is sitting now at a key support zone. So any break of this weekly S1 pivot may bring further downside and target the weekly S2 pivot level. Okay. Well, with just a couple of days left for the week, and this is the last week of the month, so there will be limited moves, and it has been consolidating after the early part of the week. So be cautious and scale down your trading lot size. All right, I will cover the spot gold and dollar yen in a separate video, as well as a follow-up of the trade idea on Tuesday. Okay, meanwhile, have a good trading week and cheers.